Hello friends! Sorry, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. I don't have glasses anymore. You guys, I had my LASIK done. Yes, it was scary for all of those wondering. It is scary because it's your eyes. But like the whole, actual procedure took like 6 minutes for both eyes. It's been a week since I've had it. It's great. I've had great results. It's awesome. And you know what? We have a Stitch Fix unboxing today. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix before and you'd like to, there's a referral link down below and it gives you $25 towards your first box. I'm still like, it's weird. Today's the first day that I could wear eye makeup. You have to wait 7 days, at least 7 days to wear eye makeup. So like you're not rubbing your eyes and stuff, taking your makeup off. So yay. So I'm like, yay, I can wear makeup. I can do my videos. So, Stitch Fix, send you 5 items, all that jazz, description below. Oh, I'm sorry. Trusty, rusty screwdriver to open up the box. You at home do not have to have your own trusty, rusty screwdriver to open it, but if you have one, let her shine, This is the only action she gets, so, maybe you have an old screwdriver that just get her out. It's fine. Here's the mailer to send back the things you don't want. We have the prices, which we'll go over at the end, and we have our note. Hi Rachel, happy Fix Day. A fix is all about making you feel like your best self, and today that starts with you trying on the items you selected from your Fix preview. They send you a Fix preview. Also, I did want to mention that Stitch Fix sent me an email that they aren't doing the Style Pass anymore because they're working on something better than the Style Pass. So I think after this month, I do have to pay the $20 styling fee every box. So it was a $49 Style Pass for the whole year. So I'm not super thrilled, but it's fine. It's fine. Anyway, you have great taste and I can't wait to hear what you think. Now that you're able to touch and feel these styles in person, request notes and feedback help me to personalize your fixes, blah, blah, blah. Speaking of your next fix, it's almost time for summer. Let me know if it's time for a seasonal refresh and I'll add a few favorites to your next fix. Cheers, Hallie. Thanks, Hallie. All right, we'll fold her back up. And this has like suggestions of how to wear, what to pair the clothes with, stuff like that. So they do, style you. Is it weird for you guys to see me without glasses? My lipstick all over my teeth. Hold, please. I also just got my hair cut today, so it's like a little, maybe an inch shorter than I wanted, but I said get all the dead ends off, so that's what happened. All right, here is our little floppy bundle here. Here's one side, here's the other. Very different. Okay, one of the pieces already fell out, so here we go. It is the 9 Britain Motier sleeveless knit top in green. XL. So she's got like little, not a twist, but like a little detail there. It's hard to see with the pattern, but almost like a surplacey thing, but not really. You get it. Oh. It's exclusive. And this one feels nice. It feels, I'm sure it's not, but I was gonna say, I'm sure it's probably linen. It's probably not, but whatever. Market and Spruce, Lilo button down tie front woven top in olive, but this is like the grayest olive I've ever seen. Like that looks really gray to me. But that's cute. I like the buttons, I like the tie. It's probably gonna be a good length. I think it's cute. It looks so gray. Like compared to this, do you see? Yeah, I mean, that looks gray to me. What do I know? Just my colors. Next, we have the Beacon Victoria Roll Tab Blouse in magenta, size extra large. I think they're all extra large. This doesn't have any stretch, so super glad it's an extra large. Button down. Roll tab sleeve, collared, just like it said. Just like it said in the description. And this one looks really cute. Look at this cute pattern before anything. Look how cute. Looks like it's like little violets or something. And this is the Dizzy Lizzy. This must be a new brand of them because I've never heard it. Dizzy Lizzy Linda flutter sleeve top in black, size XL. And she's kind of cute too. She's got like a little ruffle on the bottom, no stretch. So we'll see, she'll probably flatten out my boobs. And then we have a cardigan, Market & Spruce Alana cropped cardigan in dark gray. And she has buttons. She has buttons and I have buttons. So, oh, yeah. So, okay, no pants. Gotta go put on some pants for those. TMI, I don't know. Okay, let's try everything on. Okay, here's the first top. I don't think I'm crazy about the sleeves, but here's the length. Obviously, you guys know me. I would probably tuck it in. These shorts I got from Old Navy. They're the linen shorts, and they're like really nice length. Let me pan down and show you. They have them in like lots of colors. I think probably like at least 7 colors. Yeah, and Old Navy's always having sales, so I think I got these for like maybe $12 or something, but they're really, really comfy. Anyway, so yeah, I mean, like tucked in, it gives you a waist. I know some people aren't comfortable tucking their things in, totally fine. When I was growing up, hated tucking in shirts. Look, there's pockets on the back, but now I think it's cute. So I really like the color of this. I'm just not crazy about the sleeves. They feel like kind of droopy, you know what I mean? So I think probably a no, but it's a really nice material. It actually does have a little bit of stretch in it. So it's really nice material. You could wear it open over something too. Like I have a cami on under this, so like you could wear it kind of open. Let's just do that. Dun 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 dun. Do like, oh my god, if this came in a blue, this would be like Chessie from The Parent Trap, you know? So open with like a little tank top, it's kind of cute. Not bad at all. You could probably even tie it, not down there. You could tie it maybe. Don't worry, I'm not making it tight. Open, and now you have Jurassic Park. So it's very versatile. Okay, here's the next top. Tank top. Yes, I have my cami on underneath it still. I wouldn't wear it with a cami on usually, but here it is. So this is what I was kind of trying to explain when I unboxed it. I don't think I know it's like a drape to like kind of like de-emphasize, but I think it emphasizes your midsection more, personally. Otherwise, it's really soft. The straps are adjustable, so that's nice. It's cute. Maybe in like a different pattern or a color too. Not super like summery, but it's very stretchy, very, very soft. It's cute. I'm thinking no. Let's do more. Okay, I like this one. I haven't had like an actual tie shirt in a long time. They were so popular when I first started doing YouTube videos, which was 5 years ago. They're so popular. But they're nice. I really like this one. It's like not pulling, the buttons aren't. These shorts are also from Old Navy. They're the Taylor, high-rise Taylor short, and they have an adjustable waist. Like it's not an elastic waist, but they have like elastic and a button on the sides, which I didn't even know when I bought it. So they're really nice too. I think they came in like maybe 3 colors, but I like the black. Yeah, so this shirt's cute. I like it. You could also just tuck those ties in if you don't like the tie look. That's cute. This is gray, right? Am I crazy? Don't answer that. It's like, it's gotta be. Anyway, I think it is cuter with the tie out. In this outfit anyway. Okay, this is a winner so far. Okay, let's do more. Last one. I think I'm gonna pair the next 2 together. Let's see. We'll see what I do. This one's cute too. It's a little bit dressier, and I think it does accentuate, like it makes your waist look smaller, but then it does also like add right there, but not too bad because the material is pretty slinky. This tie, it can adjust the cinching right here. So if you want it like a little more coverage, you could do that, or you could cinch it to whatever you want. But then you have like a tie right in the center of your boobs, so I don't know. So that's like really cinched like that, or you could de-cinch it. So I do like options like that in clothing. I think that's nice. Or you could de-cinch it and it's just not as much. This one's cute. Okay, and we'll put the cardigan on over it. Hello, papers. So soft. This marketing screws? Can't remember. I know, I'm sorry. I'm like all in black and gray. Cardigan's really soft. It's that cropped. Sorry, I know I'm wearing black pants. It's cropped, so it's not like a really long cardigan, which in the summer I kind of prefer. I work in an office, so it gets cold still. Like, you always need to have a cardigan there just in case. No pockets, because it's just cropped. And you could wear it buttoned up too. I just painted my nails last night, and even though like they're not fake nails or anything like that, they're my nails, I'm like, they're stronger because there's paint on them, so they feel weird. So here it is all buttoned up, which it would be cute in like the winter time or fall to just wear it just as a top. Cute. Cute, okay. Let's go over prices and see what I'm gonna keep. I'm very, very warm. Prices. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already and you like these kinds of unboxings. Here we go. Pretty good price box. Market & Spruce, the cropped cardigan in dark gray, $49. The Dizzy Lizzy Linda flutter sleeve top, $49. 9 Britain sleeveless knit top in green, $39. Market & Spruce Lilo button down tie front in olive, but it's gray, $45. And the Beacon Victoria roll tab blouse in magenta, $44. So everything kind of around the same price. The whole box, $226. If you keep everything, you get 25% off. So then the whole box would be $169.50. So everything in the box was pretty good. I had $1.24 in credits, and then I did see someone sign up and checked out recently. So they got $25 and I got $25. So let me see. I'm logging on to Stitch Fix right now to see your name so I can shout you out. Let's see. Dun, dun, dun. Jenna! Jenna, thanks so much for signing up and using my link. I really appreciate it. So I have $26.24. So I think I'm gonna get this one. I'm gonna get this. So it's gonna cost me like $19 after my $26 and whatever cents. So thank you so much. Thanks, Jenna. And yeah, if you guys want to use my referral link, it's down below. And then I think all my other referral links too for whatever else I do. I don't even know anymore. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.